Today I'll show you 5 scratch hacks that seem illegal. Now for this first glitch, do when green flag click, create clone of myself. And then do when I start clone, create clone of myself, delete this clone. Now these 3 blocks are together, but do not put them together. Because now if you press the green flag, your whole computer will crash. You can test this out, but I'm not going to test that out because I don't want my computer to crash. Now this next glitch is my favorite glitch. All you have to do is you just have to click on my blocks, create your own block, and name your block percentage 5. Now add an input to it, and whoa, your whole entire block is invisible. Now do one of that screen refresh and try pressing OK. It does not work. Now if you press cancel, your whole entire my block category is removed. If you go up to the motions, all your blocks are all stacked up in a messy way. But don't worry, this is reversible by just clicking on the costumes tab, then clicking back onto the codes tab. Now for this next glitch, I like to call the remix tree. All you have to do is just get the link of your Scratch project, then after that type remix tree after that. Now what this will do is put up a whole entire remix tree. You just gotta press OK on your link, then after that look what happens. It shows every single remix on your Scratch project. This is amazing. Now on this 4th glitch, you do not need a sprite. All you need to do is just click on the backdrops tab and choose a backdrop. Now click on the patterns category here and get the pattern raise. Click on that specific pattern. Then after that, click on your backdrops and then click on backdrops. Now you can see that you've got your raised backdrop. Press convert to bitmap, then after that press convert to vector, and it says oops, something went wrong. It's the glitch screen. This is crazy. Now this last scratch hack has me curious. So first what you want to do is you want to choose a sprite. Now search up witch. Now obviously only this one witch comes up. But if you click on the costumes of the sprite and type up witch, a bunch of witches come up, including this one, which we did not see that other time. Why does this happen? I guess we'll never know. Now that's it for this video. If you want to see more Scratch hacks and cool Scratch videos, make sure to like and subscribe.